Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this ColourPop Luxe Gloss. So I got this in the shade Lust in my recent Ulta gift with purchase beauty break that I got, which by the way, if you have not seen that little haul, I have that video up on my YouTube channel now, and I seriously am blown away by the gift with purchase that I got, and this was part of it. It came with a bunch of full-size ColourPop and Fourth Ray Beauty products, and I've been really wanting to try out more ColourPop products. I mean, I was even just looking up on the Ulta website, the ColourPop Luxe Gloss, and they have so many different versions of it, you know, like different scents. They have a lip oil, they have a liquid lip, and I just am so impressed by the expansive collection that ColourPop has and how affordable it is. Their lip products were all $8, I think, and this is a great sized product. Like, this is a big lip gloss. It's cruelty free, and I'm really excited about this shade. It's this really pretty nudie pink shade, like looks very similar to my natural lip color, which I like, but it also looks sparkly, like gold glitter in it. So let's check it out. Ooh, I love a big doe foot applicator like this. Oh, and it smells so good. It's kind of like a sweet, fruity scent. I also just really like when my lip products have nice scents to them. So my lips are, of course, dry and chapped, so I'm so excited to put this on. But before I do, I want to do a quick swatch. Let's see what this shade looks like. Very pretty. I like this color. It's more just like a tint, so I think an easy to wear amount of color for just throwing on anytime. But it definitely seems to have some noticeable gold glitter in it, so hopefully that looks okay on my lips and doesn't look too weird and too glittery. But here you can see what that swatch looks like. It definitely has pretty shine. All right, now without further ado, let's see how this looks on my lips. The color looks a little interesting because it really is a shade that's very similar to my natural lip color. So it's almost like you don't see the peachy pink color on my lips, but you see the gold glitter. So it kind of looks like I just put on a clear gloss that had gold glitter, which would be a bit of a random choice for me. It's a very nice gloss texture though. It's thick. It does kind of have some stickiness to it, but that doesn't really bother me. But it looks very moisturizing and smoothing on my dry lips, which I love. I really look for that. Like, any dryness in my lips is now gone. My lips look fully moisturized, which is so good. And I have to say, the gold glitter is growing on me. It's more of a special occasion kind of sparkle, but it's such like an even, fully dispersed, if that makes sense, amount of glitter. So it looks good. It doesn't look like a random speck or flake of glitter, like really separated. Like, it looks intentionally glittery, if that makes sense. And the pretty shine goes along with it as well. So I think the glitter works. I don't usually wear glittery lip products, like a little shimmer, good, like even metallic I like, but when it's like noticeable flecks of glitter, I just don't always love that look on my lips. But I do like this. I think it looks nice. I especially think this makes my lips look so much better because they seriously look plumped and smoothed out, which I love that. So I am very impressed by this, and I will continue reaching for it, especially to add a little something extra, something a little bit more festive for like more of an occasion lip. I think this really is perfect for that. So you know what I would love to hear in the comments down below is, what is your favorite ColourPop makeup product, or just some of your favorites that you think I should try out, because now I just want to get so many more ColourPop products, maybe in my next Ulta haul. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.